Welcome back to Cheryl's Workday Gourmet. Today we're making a steak dinner with all the frills. A dry-aged prime strip with Bercy butter, red wine pan sauce, and my special, almost instant roasted potatoes. Start with the Bercy butter. Dice up 1 shallot. And chop up about a 1/4 cup of parsley. Saute your shallot until translucent. Then add parsley. Cook until soft. We're just looking to sweat the aromatics. This shouldn't take long, about 1 to 2 minutes. Here's a trick to soften hard butter in half a minute. Microwave a whole steak 5 seconds at a time. Turn at 90 degrees after each 5-second interval. This will allow even heating and avoid melting. Your butter should be softened within 20 seconds. You can give it a light pinch to see how soft the butter is. Add 5 more seconds if necessary. Whisk up the softened butter. Add sauteed aromatics. Fold them in with a spatula. And whisk them up until well combined. Now grate in some lemon zest. And squeeze in about a teaspoon of lemon juice. You won't really taste acidic flavor. This will just brighten everything up. Mix to combine. Wrap the mixed butter in clear wrap. Tighten both ends and toss to form a log. This will make it easy to cut once it's hardened. Silicone mold will work just as great too here. Now onto the steak. This is the first time I bought dry-aged steak at grocery. You can definitely taste the difference. It's worth the occasional splurge. Salt both sides of your room temperature steak with coarse sea salt. Don't go too heavy-handed with the salt, since we'll be making a pan sauce later on. Heat up some olive oil on medium-high. Wait for the oil to get really hot and add in your steak. 2 minutes per side. Do not overcook a good piece of steak. You can monitor the cooking process from the side. Flip when color changes halfway through. Induction cooker works great for searing steak. If cooking on gas burner, use a pan with good heat retention, like enameled cast iron. You want to get very good browning on both sides without overcooking the center. The resting process will continue to cook the center. Risk on the side of going under then over. Remove the steak and add diced shallots to pan. Saute until grease is absorbed. And add a 1/4 cup of red wine. Crank up the heat until wine is mostly evaporated. Now add 3/4 cup of unsalted beef stock. You want at least 3 part broth to 1 part wine. Err on the side of more broth. Reduce until sauce is thickened. Now onto the potatoes. Chop potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Baby potatoes are super easy here. Just half each of them and add them to a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave covered for 3.5 to 4 minutes. Once done, give them a quick sear on medium-high with some olive oil and garlic. until they get a nice browning on the surface. These pan-roasted potatoes will get a crusty edge really fast without losing too much moisture. Flip once browned. Should take less than a minute since the potatoes are cooked already. Salt to taste, and you have pan-roasted potatoes in 5 minutes. Now let's come back to the steak. It should be well rested by now. You can return it to a hot pan for a quick 20-second sear before slicing, just to warm up the outside if you enjoy it very hot. Your steak should be a perfect medium rare. Serve this on a heated plate. Now slice up your Bercy butter into 1 teaspoon portions. And you're ready to plate. Add potatoes, steak, butter, and drizzle pan sauce on top. Enjoy your steakhouse meal at home. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. For more quick and easy gourmet recipes, follow my blog. See you next time.